Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking grand opening Facebook post in Canva. Creating a grand opening post in Canva is really easy. If you don't have any experience or design skills, you don't have to worry because Canva allows you to modify templates designed by professional and creative designers. What you need to do is simply pick a template you like, modify it, and your post will be ready. So go to the search bar in Canva and just type Grand Opening Facebook Post. We are creating a post for Facebook. That's why we need to add Facebook Post. And now you can see the available options. To explore all the options, click on See All. And here we go. You can see many options. You can simply scroll down and choose whichever template you like. For now, I will go with this one. This one looks good. This one is a pro template, but you can choose a free version. There are both free and pro versions. Just click on it to explore it and choose whichever one you like. Click on Customize this template. And now you can see that I can modify anything I like, as shown here. I can modify whatever I want. Now, starting with text customization, simply click on the text and add any text. These are the available features for text customization. If you want to change the font, you can do so here. You can also resize the text. If you want to resize it, you can do so here. If you want to change the color, this is the option to use. This one is for making the text bold, italic, or underlining the text. You can try them out. These are the basic features. You will understand them. After that, moving on to the background, if you want to change the background image, you can add a background image here. If you want to replace it, you need to go to Uploads. If you want to upload your own background, select Upload from your PC. After that, your image will appear here. And right now, for example, this is the background image I want to replace. You need to simply drag and drop it like this. Just drag and drop. Also, what you need to do is drag and drop it like this. Then send it to the back like this. Or, if you want to add a plain background, click on the background and change the color to a plain one, like this. You can add a plain background if you want. So, that was all about the background. And now, moving on to replacing this image. If you want to replace the template image with your own image, go to Uploads again and upload an image from your PC. To replace the template image, what you need to do is simply drag and drop it like this. Just drag and drop it like this. If you want to reposition your image, double-click on it. You can resize and reposition your image like this. Like this, you can modify anything you like. If you want to add your own logo, you can upload your own logo or add your own image, background, text, details, and contact information. Everything you need. When you are done with the modifications or customization, you can export or download the file. Rename your file, go here, click Download, and download it in PNG or any other format you need. Just download it, and your grand opening Facebook post is ready to upload to Facebook.